Hey everybody, I am here with Abby.
Hi.
We are going to do a small haul for you guys. I ordered a few things from scrapbook.com and a couple things from Altenew. I wasn't planning on doing a video, but she wanted to do a video with me, so I thought this one would be quick and easy to put up. So I ordered a few things, like I said, from scrapbook.com. And all of the supplies will be listed in the description box down below that I am sharing with you guys. A couple of the things are already sold out, unfortunately, but if you check back, and a lot of times, I know scrapbook.com does it, I don't know if Altenew does it, but if you put in your email address, they should email you if and when it comes back in stock. Okay? Mm-hmm. Alright, so a lot of times at scrapbook.com, when you are making a purchase, if you go to the coupons section, if you click on the coupons tab, you will go there and it'll share with you if they have any freebies. More times than not, they have a freebie going on if you make a purchase, whether it is the Scrapbook and Cards magazine, or in this case it was the Ephemera pack from Echo Park. And I have the Simple Stories Say Cheese collections, so this really works well with that. So I got that, and why not? It's free. Alright, so I don't think it's available anymore, but just like I said, if you're watching later on, you can always check to see what freebies they have. And also on Mondays, they always have a Fun Day Monday code. A lot of times it's between like 5 to 10% off, so you always want to check back on Mondays if you are looking to buy anything. Also for Memorial Day, they're having 5% off everything, and then a bunch of other deals to go along with that. So be sure to check out scrapbook.com this weekend. And also, I know Simon Says Stamp has some deals going on, lots of deals this weekend. I know shopping isn't what Memorial Day is about, but I just thought I'd share that with you guys. Alright, I think Abby's wanting to get on with the video here.
This is what it comes with.
Oh, yeah. Package. I should have showed them. So this is what it comes with. Cute little ephemera pack.
I want one of these. These are so cute.
Alright, so I've used a couple of these in the past, and I really like them. I was hesitant to get more because they are a little bit pricey, and you know, you only get one, and then you know, it's not like, I always say to invest in the molds if you can, like the silicone molds, because you can make as many embellishments as you want. As this, you only have one, but sometimes it's nice to splurge on something that you really want. So I got two of these, and these are something that is sold out, unfortunately. I will take one out, so if you haven't seen them, I will try to find them and somewhere else, maybe on Amazon or something. So they open up like that, and you can use it open.
I can make a house out of one of these. We have one.
You can use it open or closed. They're really fun.
Because I can pretend that these are doors or windows.
Yeah.
And then I can make a little flower pot right here.
Yeah. All right.
That'd be cute.
So that's that. And then you guys know, if you've watched my live streams, I ran out of gold glass glitter. So I got some of that.
Is it made out of glass?
You know what? I don't know why. It might be. I have no idea, to be honest. It's just shards of glass, I think. Gold glass. I don't know. Alright. And then the other thing that I got, sorry, it's hard to work around Abby, she's sitting on my lap, is I picked up the Heidi Swapp, what's this paper collection called? Wolf Pack paper collection, because we go camping every single year, and I really like the colors scheme in this paper pack. It wasn't too like cutesy camping. So let's share the paper.
I brought scissors because we can open some of these and stuff if it's hard to open.
You know what, I think this kind of just comes off actually.
Yeah. Can I tuck off this one?
Sure, if you can.
I think so. I usually just cut them in the middle.
We haven't reserved our spot. Excuse you.
Oh, thank you.
We haven't reserved a spot for camping yet this year because it's still snowing up there, and we tent camp, so we'd freeze. Last year we went for Abby's birthday, which is at the end of the month, at the end of May, because they're already out of school, and we learned the hard way. It's way too cold to tent camp. All right, so let's share the paper really quickly, Abby. They are one-sided, and they seem to be a little thinner, on the thinner side. So you get this cool pattern here, some like watercolor trees.
This
Hold on,
reminds
you're
me
skipping
of
papers.
the thing that we did with Callie.
And then this lined paper, I really like striped paper.
You know, the thing that we did with the pictures of Callie?
Oh yeah. You get these. So nice journal cards, and you get these strips of paper,
I like this
journal
one.
spots.
Wolves are not mean, they're nice.
You think so?
If you're nice to them, they're nice to you.
You think so?
Yeah.
You think if they saw you in the woods, they wouldn't eat you if they were really hungry? No?
I would feed them some blueberries
Oh, okay.
and strawberries. Wolves do like strawberries, though.
All right, so here's these patterns, and I really like this one. This one has the world map underneath it. It's very hard to see. Let me see if I can get it in the camera. Hold on, Abby.
Has the world map. Oh, you guys probably can't see.
Yeah, it's really, really hard to see on the camera. Here, move your hand. There you go. Whoops.
Oh, that was that.
It's okay. All right.
The string-a-ma-dee.
All right, and then we have this wood grain, really nice.
I thought that was
planks.
actual wood.
It does look like it, huh? And then some moons, which is really cool.
Eyebrow,
An eyebrow.
eyeball, mouth.
Oh. All right, and then this grid paper, really cool. And then the constellations and kind of like stars and moons.
Yeah.
This one is one of my favorites. It's really cool.
I like scissors.
And then the bears are kind of cute. I don't see myself using all of these papers, but I
She'll
really
probably
like.
share with me.
Yeah, Abby can use like the bears and stuff.
Yeah.
Another wood grain paper.
Can I
Some
have one
paw
of the
print.
door things?
No.
Aw.
This like sky paper here.
Pink.
Some leaves. Ooh, this one's really cool. It's like really grungy. It's really nice.
Yeah,
This one's
good.
nice too. Hold on, Abby. And then this one.
Do we have to show all of them?
Yes, I'm sure they like to see them. Then the map here.
Yeah, so you can just, so there's black polka dots. This is what the map looked like.
Oh,
there's
yeah, in the
black
back.
polka dots.
Yeah.
Because
That
I just
other
wanted
paper.
to say that because they probably were like, wait, how come there's two maps?
Yeah. All right, so
Because
this.
you probably can't see the map with the polka dots on it.
Yep. So there's this one. It has some words down here. Unplug. This is the main thing why we like to go camping. Sorry, lost my words for a second. Because there's no internet, no Wi-Fi up where we go, and it is so nice just to not constantly check your phone. And my husband is a workaholic, so he is forced to not work. So
I like to feed the squirrels raspberries.
yeah, there's lots of squirrels.
Yeah,
And then this paper. Did we show this paper already?
After we unpack, we should show you guys
No, not yet.
our picture of the squirrel on the stump eating the raspberries. The squirrel was so
So
fat
it's-
and chubby.
It seems as though there might be one of each.
Yeah.
No, there's one of each, or most of them, but then there's two of some of them. Just kind of weird. All right, so this one, the last one here, I think.
I'm gonna get onto these.
And then I'm kind of bummed that there's not 2 of each, but oh well. And they're not double-sided either. There's 36 papers though.
I kind of want to get onto these things. These are really cool. What are
And there's
they?
not 2 of my favorite page either. Oh yeah, there is this one. I do have a couple vlogs too on my channel. If you just type camping on my channel, then you could probably find them. All right, so here is a sticker pack, and it has some of the trees, and then a bunny, and a wolf. Spread your wings. Find your brave. Take a hike. When we go camping, though, we do get Wi-Fi at the top of the mountain, huh, Abby? Yeah. So these are cute, too, like journaling spots. All right, Abby wanted to show these, so go ahead. You want to show them the back of it, where it has the pictures of everything that's in it? And you can hold it up.
Yeah, because then if there's a back of it, you don't really have to
Open
take
it
the
up.
whole
Yeah.
thing out.
So it says unplug. Some of them are like acetate pieces and vellum pieces and like cardstock pieces, and
Yeah,
some
you
of them have
can-
foiling on them too. So, which is a nice variety of things. All right, so that is that collection. Really nice collection, even not for camping. If you have a boy, as well, or for anything actually. All right, so the next few items are from Altenew's website. This is sold out, the Shadow Floral Die set and the washi tape combination is sold out. I don't know if you can get these separately or not, but I know that the set is sold out, which is kind of a bummer because I really like what they're doing here. So you have the washi tape, and you can use the washi tape, you know, by itself. But then I think they learned from the past that a lot of people are cutting out the floral images. So of course, very smart decision for them. They decided to make a die set.
We made one of those once, I think.
All right,
Oh,
so
it's so smooth.
it is.
Here's the scissors.
You have all these florals. No, I'm not gonna cut it. I'm just showing them, baby. So you have all these florals here. And then you can have the die set
This
to
is
cut
like
them out.
duct tape.
So that's really nice. So what you would do is you would put the washi tape on just regular cardstock.
This is this tape. The cool tape.
And then you can use your die cut machine to cut the florals out. And then you can have a ton of different embellishments for projects.
But if you don't have a die cut machine, then you can get one.
You can just get the washi tape and cut them out by hand. All right, so the measurements for the washi tape is 114 millimeters by 10 millimeters.
So if I unload this, it would be bigger than Callie.
Yeah.
Way bigger.
All right, the last thing
She'd be
is
afraid.
the Altenew embossing paste. I think this is just their version of like modeling paste. So I'm going to read the back for you guys. It says, our thick and lightweight embossing paste will give texture and interest to your paper crafted projects, and it's perfect accompaniment to our line of stencils. It is opaque, white, and will dry to a matte finish. Mix with inks, re-inkers, ink sprays, or watercolor brush markers for endless color possibilities. Lightweight, opaque white, matte finish, full dry in 1.5 to 2 hours. When I first opened this, the first thing I noticed, and I know I will get this question, so I am going to address it. It has a very, very, very strong odor. I'm not very sensitive to odors, but I did notice that this one, smell it, Abby. Very strong, huh?
I don't smell
It
anything.
smells very chemically. Chemically. I don't
I
even.
can't smell anything. That smells good.
You think it smells good? It doesn't, I don't think it smells horrible, like not like a raunchy smell or anything, but it definitely does have a chemical smell. So if you are sensitive to smells, I would probably pass on this. It is pretty pricey too, but I wanted to give it a try. I do a lot of mixed media on my channel, so I'm sure eventually someone probably would have asked me about this, and I want to be able to give insight on it. So I will be using this in some future projects. And that is it.
Yes.
Super small haul. It took 16 minutes. Abby's going to try to take one of these from me.
My favorite.
They're expensive, Abby.
I like these.
I know.
I want to make a house out of one.
You have money. You could buy one.
How much are they?
I think they're like $8.
I don't have money.
You don't, where did all your money go?
I gave it to Papa.
Oh, you spent it.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
I still need craft sticks.
Oh, yes, I'll get you craft sticks. All right. So we are done. So thank you guys for watching. What do they need to do? What do you want to
subscribe.
Subscribe and
Follow. Thumbs up.
thumbs up. Thumbs up the video. You got to do your little thumbs. They're so cute. Give this video a thumbs up, right? Thumbs up.
Nail polish.
And leave us a comment down below letting us know what your favorite product was that I shared. What do you think?
These.
That one's yours.
Listen to the sound.
The kids are out for the summer, so I don't know how consistent I will be at doing videos, but starting in June, they will be going to a rec program 2 days a week. So I will probably start again doing live streams. Oh, that's actually a really good idea, Abby.
So then you can put like a picture inside.
Yeah.
And then once you open the doors, you can see the little picture. You can
That's
see
a good little
picture
shadow
in there.
frame idea. All right, you guys. We'll catch you later. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, look, Abby, there's a butterfly outside.
That's so pretty.